Dear friends, since a month, the Samsung workers have been waging a valiant struggle for their legitimate and democratic trade union rights, but the government of Tamil Nadu and the Labour Ministry is not adhering to the basic demands which have been enshrined in the Indian Constitution under Article 19 within bracket 1 B and C. B says to assemble peaceably and without arms. C says to form unions or associations. These are the basic fundamental rights that have been guaranteed and enshrined in the Indian Constitution. So far, in any part of the country, these trade union rights and constitutional rights have been upheld by all the governments, central governments, public sector undertakings, etc., etc. But the Tamil Nadu government is not adhering to the basic principles of fundamental rights. Is a big question mark. Why it is doing? Why for and what for? It is siding with the Samsung, not siding with the Samsung workers, but with the Samsung multinational company is a different question. The point here is that India is a signatory to the International Labour Organization, which was formed in 1920, which says that the right to form associations or unions is the prerogative of the basic members of the particular industry to form union and association and fight for their rights. But the government of Tamil Nadu neither accepts the constitutional rights of the workers nor the ILO conventions and other things that have been enshrined in the International Labour Organization's principles and aims and objectives there too. The point here is that why the Tamil Nadu government, which is proclaiming itself for social justice and other things, and also upholds the constitutional morality and all that, but it is not adhering its basic duty to give the right to form union or association as per the Industrial Act of 1920. It is a basic document. Neither it considers the Industrial Dispute Act of 1948, but the government of Tamil Nadu proclaims itself, it stands for Dravidian model and it stands for social justice. What is required is that it must adhere to the constitutional principles, constitutional rights and International Labour Organization, and it should not side with the Samsung management. For Samsung management in the world wide is not adhering to the basic trade union rights, but it is speaking a lot about no union policy. But in South Korea itself, there is one union for Samsung workers in South Korea, but it is adopting a different standard in India. The question is before the viewers is that whether the constitution is supreme or the Samsung is supreme. This should be answered by the government of Tamil Nadu. Thank you so much.